Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by targeting adhesive, not paint. Heat the sticker for 30 to 60 seconds with a hair dryer on medium. This softens glue so it comes off cleanly. Once warm, wedge a plastic scraper or old credit card under one corner, working slowly to lift the edge without gouging the finish. If the corner resists, reheat briefly rather than forcing. This avoids scratches. Make sure to keep steady pressure and small lifting motions. This gives control and prevents peeling paint. Once the main sticker is off, treat remaining tackiness with adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl applied to a microfiber cloth. You want to rub along the surface grain with gentle, steady strokes. This transfers residue to the cloth without abrading the finish. If some glue stays, reheat the spot for 10-20 seconds and reapply solvent, then lift with tweezers or the scraper. Keep checking the surface. Repeated gentle passes are better than hard scrubbing that can dull paint. Finish by washing the area with mild soap and water, then dry with a clean microfiber to remove any solvent traces. If the finish looks slightly dull, apply a non-abrasive polish and buff lightly. This restores shine without risking damage. Make sure to inspect edges for mist residue. If paint or coating lifts during removal, stop immediately. Seal exposed metal with wax or consult a repair professional. One troubleshooting tip: if adhesive hardens, repeat gentle heating and solvent rather than increasing force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.